Hey guys, I'm Brian Monhoff with Jager Pro. I'm the thermal and night vision specialist. Today I'm going to show you how to use our products to eradicate a full sounder group. I got a call from a local landowner that said his property was being damaged by a big group of pigs. I went to meet with him so he could show me where the damage was. It was easy to find why they were on the property. Deer season was over, but he was still running 3 bait sites for his deer. The pigs made a loop every day and ate every kernel of corn at each site. We decided to turn off 2 of the feeders so there was only one food source in the middle of the property, right next to a creek they seemed to enjoy wallowing in. I put up a Jager Pro ice and stealth camera for surveillance. The hogs showed up like clockwork the next afternoon, but only stayed for about 5 minutes. I went out the next day to change the feeder to 12 seconds of feed time and dropped some bait lines of whole corn to keep them longer. The entire sounder group continued to feed at the bait site every day for a week. On the 8th day I set up the Jager Pro M.I.N.E double gate enclosure with one main gate facing the east and the secondary gate facing the west. I put up the trap in less than 25 minutes and started to set up the cameras when the guests of the hour decided to make an early entrance. The entire sounder group was rooting in woods less than 100 yards from me. I did not want to be there when they came out, so I quickly put up the ice and stealth camera so I could monitor the situation. I then put a bait line of corn down with just a little on the outside of each gate to help condition them to the enclosure. I left the trap site before setting up the live video camera so I did not spook the pigs. The group showed up 5 hours after I left and walked in with very little hesitation. They are very conditioned to this bait site. After 40 minutes, the group starts to exit using the east gate they came in. The next morning, Chris and Todd go to the trap site to finish setting up the live video camera and put out 2 bait lines. 6 hours later, the group shows up and uses the west gate. All but 3 go in at first. The 2 big boars are very hesitant and the piglet seems to follow the leader. After a few minutes, the last piglet goes into the east gate, leaving 2 boars. 1 more boar makes the commitment. Once I saw the last boar would not go in, I decided to send the trap command. I was getting ready to do a thermal operation an hour south, and I knew we could shoot the trap shy pig on the outside of the trap. Both gates drop and the pigs ping for just over a minute. When we arrived at the property, the single boar was still on the outside. We got downwind and stalked in close to euthanize the boar with a 178 grain 308 projectile. The final result is 100% kill and capture of a sounder group that was destroying a landowner's property. 25 caught and 1 shot outside the enclosure. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions about the optics used, please contact me at brian@jagerpro.com.
Call or visit us on the web to purchase the latest equipment or learn more about the process and products needed to eliminate feral pig populations on your property. Be sure to visit our YouTube channel to view our entire instructional video series. Once online, keep clicking and like the Jager Pro Hog Control Systems Facebook page. If you have a story idea or just want to leave us a comment or suggestion, feel free to email us at info@jagerpro.com.